How to open a demo account on NordFX. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. First of all, go ahead and launch open your NordFX application or website on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. To open the demo account, you'll need to go ahead and click on Trading Accounts option on the top left, and from this page, click on Demo. Inside Demo, click on Open Demo Account. Select the trading platform from MetaTrader 4 or 5 and then select the account from the bottom of the screen. I'm just going to go with the popular choice option. And once you do that, on the next page, confirm your account details. Now go ahead and enter a password for your account. Enter the password once again. Make sure you create the password meeting these criteria at the bottom. And now you also need to create an investor password. Go ahead and do it. And click on this little box at the bottom. Make sure you select all of these requirements over here. Don't forget to choose the leverage. Enter all the details and finally click on open an account at the bottom. Now you have your credentials and your account details over here. You can copy these and paste it somewhere safe. I'm just gonna put it on my notes. Now that's how you can easily create a demo account on NordFX. A demo account is free and it uses virtual money and it lets you practice without risking real funds. If your demo account remains inactive for about 14 days, it may be deleted or archived. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.